Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of the popular vegetable dish in Bali called tuong megoreng or stir-fry apple aubergine. This is one of my favorite vegetable dish and it's so yummy. It's really easy and simple to make and as always perfect to serve with rice. So let's get started. So here I have apple aubergine around 800 grams. The weight is including the stem, but I'm not going to use the stem later. And also later I add garlic, Bali hot pepper, big red chili, water, vegetable oil, salt, mushroom boyong powder, and oyster sauce. So let's make it. First, I'm going to chop the garlic roughly. Next, slice thinly the Bali hot pepper. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the Bali hot pepper. And for the big red chili, I'm going to cut diagonal. I will use some for garnish, the big red chili, and the rest I will add into the vegetables. And next, let's cut the apple aubergine. So I remove the stem and cut it into four. Slice as thick as you wish. You also can eat the apple aubergine while it's raw. So crunchy. Let's put it aside. Now turn on the cooker. Add the vegetable oil. Add the garlic. Cook until slightly golden brown. Add the chilies. And some of the big red chili. Apple aubergine in. Along with half cup of water. Mix well. Keep stirring it occasionally. Add salt and mushroom boyong powder. You also can add vegetable boyong powder or chicken boyong powder as you wish. Oyster sauce. Mix well. I cook the apple aubergine al dente, so when you taste the vegetable, it still tastes slightly crunchy. It's done. Now let's plate it. So here is the big red chili that I cut earlier. I use some for garnish. So here we are, tuong magoreng. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also we are ready with online cooking class as well. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write it down my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking. Bye bye.